Want to lock apps on your iPhone for extra privacy? Whether it's WhatsApp, Notes, or any other app, I'll show you how to enable App Lock on iOS 18. Let's get started.
So search for an app, and we're going to go with Instagram, for example. Tap and hold till the menu pops up. And then you need to look for Require Face ID. Sometimes it'll be the top, sometimes it'll be the bottom of the menu. And you just tap Require Face ID. The warning, require Face ID for Instagram. This app will require Face ID or your passcode to open or show content in other apps. App content will not appear in notification, previews, or spotlight. Tap Require Face ID. As you can see, Face ID is now active. Now let's test this out. If I want to open Instagram, I'm going to tap it to open it, as you would do. As you can see, Face ID is using to open this up. And there you go. It's that simple.
And that's it. Now your apps are locked and secure on iOS 18. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you in the next one.